Hey guys, today is another beautiful day. We're gonna make a delicious sandwich for you. Actually, I'm starving right now and I can't wait to have a sandwich. But in the meantime, I want to show you how to make it. And this time it's going to be a chopped chicken on here with bacon and eggs. Something nice happened yesterday. 4 guys came from Connecticut to visit us and to try our chopped cheese. So thank you guys for coming up, to take the time to come and visit us. That was amazing. That was really good. And here is some footage of those guys. Alright guys, so we have beautiful subscribers that came to visit us to the store. That's a reason to celebrate it today. And here are the guys that came all the way from Connecticut. What's your name, brother?
My name is Elvis.
How are you?
Good, how you doing? My name is Franco.
Greg. Wow. This makes our day. If you don't have a YouTube channel, make sure to create a YouTube channel because this gives you a lot of excitement and a lot of happiness. Wow, it's a beautiful day. I realize a lot of people when come to store or to a deli like this one, they don't know what to order. And I have some idea next time you go to a deli, to a store, so you can order a chopped chicken on a hero or roll if you're not that hungry with bacon and eggs. That's going to make a big difference on your day. Right here, my brother Isa.
We make the best sandwiches. Victor is the chef.
We try our best. I just discovered that I like to create videos, so why not sharing what I'm doing, right? Here today is not the exception, even though today is Thursday. I said it Wednesday, I don't remember, but anyway, it's Thursday and we're already in March. So this is the sandwich that I'm gonna make. I don't know. I haven't eaten anything since this morning, but it's okay. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried to show you. I'm actually not worried. I'm actually excited, happy to do that. This is our grill. Right now it's kind of a little bit early. And we're going to need some lettuce, tomatoes, mayo. I'm gonna use some onions, peppers. Right there, we saw a lot of sandwiches today. The deli basically, it's very empty. And this is the chopped chicken. Basically it's a burger. And the chicken right there, we're going to use buffalo chicken. And I'm gonna use a hero because today I'm kind of hungry. And first is first. I'm going to wash my hands. And I know some of you guys, cooking sometimes is not the funniest thing to do, but enjoying is one of the greatest things to be participating in it. So my job is to cook for people and also create videos. Videos is my passion. I love to create videos. And sometimes the more I practice, the more I become better and better. This is everything in life. We're making a video today. How are you, brother?
What's up, man? Are you good?
Yeah.
Good, yeah, man.
I remember when I started working here, I don't know how to cook, but then little by little I started learning and practicing. And the more I practice, the more good I become. So we wash our hands already. Now we're going to use some gloves. And we're going to start making the sandwich. Nice. Onions right here. And some peppers. And some tomatoes. Over here. Then I'm going to put some oil. There's some oil right here. I'm going to grab some chicken right there. This chicken is really, really good. I'm gonna grab some tongue right here. A little bit of chicken because we're going to use a lot of meat. And ground beef, it's my favorite thing. I'm gonna use half of it because I'm gonna have a big sandwich. So I don't want to get really, really full. And now we're going to grab some bacon. I'm going to use all of this bacon. Not all of it, just a little bit. Just for the taste. Right here. Oh Lord. You do this when you have a lot of experience. Okay. Show the guys how I cut the bread. Alright guys, many guys don't know how to do this, but I'm gonna show you. It's very easy. Then I'm gonna put some butter in it. And this way it's gonna toast it really good. Sazon right here, Goya. I'm not gonna use everything, I'm gonna use half of it, half of the package. The chicken has already a lot of flavor. Remember to use buffalo chicken. Wanna flip the egg? I'm going to use some cheese. This cheese is my favorite. This is called Colby Jack cheese. It's really good because it's kind of spicy, and I love spicy. I'm not that spicy guy, but I love a little bit, just for the taste. Okay. Two slices here. Egg on top. Ketchup. And some chipotle sauce. See? Some chipotle sauce. Now the bread is really good. Some tomatoes. Some lettuce. Now. I don't know if you don't see a lot of joy in me today, but actually I'm really happy because I'm sharing with you, and sharing is one of the things that I just discovered that I like it. I really like it, even though I'm so starving right now, but it's okay. I want to complete this sandwich so I can show you how to make this properly. You want to enjoy it. Even if you don't have all these ingredients, you can still make it at home and have a delicious meal. I'm tasting the chicken. It tastes really, really good. I'm gonna cut it right now. All right. So the sandwich is almost done. And once it's right. Wow, looks really, really good, my friends. So I cut this sandwich because I want to share it with the guys that came to visit us at the store, and these guys inspired me to create this sandwich. So it's a good time to share. All right, have a slice. Let me know how it's. Let me know how it tastes. So here my friend is going to try it and see what's happening. Let's see if he likes it. That means it's good. If not, you like it? All right, wait. Brother, try it. Let me know how is it. Where's Jose? He got a sandwich. You liked it? Nice, nice. Beautiful. They liked it, and I want to try my sandwich too. I'll see you in the next video.